Welcome back to another deep dive into the fascinating world of automotive history, where today we are stepping back in time and heading behind the Iron Curtain to explore a marvel of socialist engineering that continues to inspire enthusiasts decades after its inception. In the landscape of automotive history, few regions have produced as much fascination through sheer necessity as East Germany. While the Western world was indulging in increasingly large, heavy, and fuel-thirsty recreational vehicles, the engineers in the German Democratic Republic were facing a very different set of challenges. They had to create a mobile living space that could be pulled by a car with an engine displacement smaller than most modern motorcycles. This led to the creation of what many enthusiasts consider to be one of the most inspiring and efficient camper designs ever conceived, the legendary QEK Junior. Born out of the need for mobility and the socialist dream of a collective vacation, this tiny trailer has become a symbol of ingenuity and a cult icon among vintage enthusiasts today. To understand the genius of the QEK Junior, one must first understand its primary companion, the Trabant 601. The Trabant was the people's car of East Germany, famous for its duroplast body and its smoky two-stroke twin-cylinder engine that produced a modest 26 horsepower. For the average East German family, the dream of a summer holiday at the Baltic Sea or in the mountains was often limited by the towing capacity of this diminutive vehicle. Conventional campers of the era were simply too heavy for the Trabant to pull. In response to this, the engineers at the Industry Works Schönebeck, also known as ISO Co., were tasked with designing a caravan that was as light as a feather but tough enough to survive the often rutted roads of the Eastern Bloc. The result was the QEK Junior, a name that has since become synonymous with minimalist camping perfection. The most striking feature of the QEK Junior is its construction. At a time when most caravans relied on heavy steel frames and wooden wall structures, the East German designers turned to glass-reinforced plastic, or GRP. This fiberglass construction allowed the trailer to be incredibly lightweight while maintaining a high degree of structural rigidity. In its most basic form, the QEK Junior weighed in at just around 300 kilograms. This featherweight status meant that even the humble Trabant 601 could pull it with relative ease, even if the ascent up a mountain pass required a bit of patience and a lot of gear shifting. The design was essentially a monocoque shell, which not only saved weight, but also made the trailer almost entirely waterproof and resistant to the rot that plagued many Western trailers of the same period. Visually, the QEK Junior is a masterclass in functionalism. Its boxy, slightly rounded shape was designed to maximize interior space while maintaining a compact footprint that wouldn't catch much wind on the highway. There are no unnecessary flourishes here. Every line serves a purpose. One of the most clever design elements is the pop-up roof section located in the center of the trailer. This small hatch could be raised to provide much-needed ventilation and a bit of extra headroom when standing in the kitchen area. Speaking of the interior, stepping inside a QEK Junior is like entering a puzzle where every piece has been perfectly placed. Despite its tiny exterior dimensions, the Junior manages to feel surprisingly roomy. The layout is dominated by a large seating area that surrounds a central table. At night, this table lowers and the cushions are rearranged to create a massive sleeping platform that can comfortably accommodate 2 adults and even a small child. The kitchen facilities are admittedly basic, featuring a small sink and a space for a portable stove, but for the East German camper, this was more than enough. The philosophy was simple. The trailer was for sleeping and seeking shelter from the rain, while the rest of life happened outside. Storage was equally well thought out, with cabinets tucked into every available corner and a wardrobe that could hold just enough clothing for a 2-week holiday. There was no bathroom or integrated water heater, as these would have added too much weight and complexity. Instead, campers relied on the facilities at the state-run campsites, a communal way of living that was central to the GDR lifestyle. What makes the QEK Junior truly inspiring is how it represents the triumph of creativity over scarcity. The engineers didn't have access to the high-tech materials or luxury components available in West Germany or the United States, so they used what they had to create something that was arguably more durable and fit for purpose than many of its contemporaries. This ruggedness is a major reason why so many QEK Juniors are still on the road today. While many expensive trailers from the 70s have long since succumbed to damp and decay, the fiberglass shells of the QEKs remain intact. Today, they have found a second life with a new generation of campers who value minimalism and retro style. It is not uncommon to see a QEK Junior at a modern van life gathering, often towed by a vintage Volkswagen or even a modern electric car, where its lightweight nature once again proves to be a massive advantage for range and efficiency. The legacy of the Schultz brothers and the factories in Schönebeck lives on through these little trailers. They remind us that good design isn't about how much you can add, but how much you can take away while still providing a meaningful experience. The QEK Junior was a product of a specific political and economic climate, but its appeal is universal. It speaks to the basic human desire for freedom and the ability to carry your home with you, regardless of how small your engine might be. As we look toward a future where efficiency and sustainability are becoming increasingly important, the lessons learned from this East German classic are more relevant than ever. It proves that you don't need a massive SUV and a 30-foot luxury liner to have an adventure. Sometimes all you need is a clever fiberglass box, a sense of wonder, and the open road ahead of you. Whether you are a fan of Cold War history or simply a lover of smart design, the QEK Junior stands as a testament to the fact that great things truly do come in small, lightweight packages.